Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here. On your demand, I'm making this video. I'm going to speak on one of the most important cue cards. So you can see this cue card on your screen as well. Describe a difficult thing you did and succeeded. Okay, so let's start. Although there are many things which can be difficult in life, especially the firsts in life are always very difficult. So the same thing happened day one when I attended driving lesson. It was a formidable experience for me because before that I didn't know anything about driving the car. I had no idea, and I used to think, or I had thought, driving could be impossible thing for me to do. But anyways, I joined that driving class, and there was the lesson. And after that, when I sat on the steering wheel of that car, I was literally puzzled. I didn't know where the clutch, the brake, as it was a stick shift car, I didn't know where the things were. And then I was told about all these things and I was guided. Initially, I didn't know how to shift the gear. The car was neutral. Then my instructor told me about the gears and how they work and how we shift the gears from one to second, the reverse gear and all that. Although the first lesson went over my head and I got literally confused and puzzled, and I didn't know in fact what to do and how to drive the car. And day one, when I came back home, I realized this is one of the things I would not be able to do at all in my life. But gradually, second day, third day, fourth day, and then after 5 days, when the coach took me to the main road, I was quite excited. The same car which was extremely difficult for me to manage, I was driving that car very comfortably. Why it was difficult for me? Because I was not familiar with driving before that, and I felt awful in the beginning, and then I felt awesome later on because then I had become a good driver. Today I drive the car very confidently, and now once upon a time what was difficult for me, it has become a piece of cake for me. Thank you. Okay guys, thank you. So this is how you can speak on Ielts speaking cue cards, and you need to make a story. I did not go to any driving center. I did not learn driving from any coach. My friend taught me how to drive the car. So you need to exaggerate. Let me tell you, if you are good at exaggeration, if you are a good storyteller, you can be good at Ielts speaking part 2. All the best. I also teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck from Pipeline Track, Ayubia, Murray Hills. Take care. Allah Hafiz.